Welcome home to this charming cottage, the home you've been searching for. Fronted by a wide driveway with room for extra vehicles and a detached two-car garage that would make an excellent workshop, this home invites you in via a tranquil front porch that rests amid beautiful landscaped gardens. Inside, central air and heat, as well as a lovely wood-burning fireplace, keep the living area comfortable for those who relax here, savoring the mountain views through a picture window. Steps away, a spacious dining room offers similar picturesque views of the hills and garden as it conveniently rests off the kitchen, a fantastic cooking haven adorned by a farmhouse porcelain sink, designer fixtures, and an antique stove. 2 guest bedrooms provide pleasant sleeping quarters for additional family members or overnight visitors, treating them to wood floors and designer paint, while the owners of this residence are pampered in their own peaceful retreat that boasts fabulous views of the rear yard and patio. 1.5 baths featuring original California retro tile and copper plumbing complete this wonderful sanctuary. Speaking of sanctuary, you'll find one outdoors as well, where a spacious covered patio allows you to sip cocktails with friends and family and enjoy the exceptional weather in shady comfort, while the children and pets run around the gorgeous landscaped flat grassy yard. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Call today for your private tour.